Hey everyone! Today, we're making an amazing optical illusion by welding. Yep, who knew welding could mess with your brain? Let's get started. First, we grab a 1.5-inch box bar. Why? Because using a 1.4-inch bar would be illegal. Okay, not really, but precision matters. Next, we mark it into 21 centimeters pieces. 21, because 20 felt too short, and 22 was just showing off. Now we cut those pieces using an angle grinder with a cutting wheel. Sparks are gonna fly, so don't forget safety gear unless you want a free fireworks show on your face. Look how cool this cinematic clip. Time to weld them together like this. Welding is like super glue for metal, but way cooler and hotter. Now we cut this part too. Feels like a never-ending cycle of cut, weld, repeat, just like life. Here comes the magic. We set the final piece at a right angle to create the illusion. Then, we mark and cut off any unnecessary parts. Polish the surface so it looks smooth and professional. Or at least, so people don't think it was built in a hurry at 2 a.m. And that's just how you make an optical illusion with welding. If you liked this, hit that like button. If not, well, at least now you know how to confuse people with metal. See you in the next one.